Hey folks, Bob Thibodeau here. Just wanted to jump on and give you a quick update. We're going to renew a couple contracts here. Like I said, I'm trying to give you every step along the way that I'm doing. But I do want to start with this disclaimer. This is not financial or investment advice. The content you're watching is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm simply documenting my personal journey, showing you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, why I chose this path based on my own research and my own personal decisions. You are 100% responsible for your own decisions. If you choose to follow a similar path, you do so at your own risk. You need to do your own research, consider your own risk tolerance, and make decisions that are right for you. Investing in digital assets, including Bitcoin mining contracts, carry risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Only invest in what you can afford to lose. Now, again, this contract with this company, KSD Miner, has been working exactly as advertised. I've had zero issues. Right? I just want to put that up front. Now, my contract just completed. One of them, I had two running. This $1,250 contract just completed. I still have this one going for, oh, I don't know. I got about 10 more days on this one, I guess. But it's time to reinvest those funds to keep things moving forward. I have $1,878 available in the account. That is the 1250 that was just the contract just completed was put back in there, plus the earnings from today, which is $63.18 added to whatever was the balance before that. Anyway, I got $1,878 right now. So let's see what we can do. I said they update these contracts as one completes, and the next one goes. A couple days later they bring one out. So with $1,800, I know I can do a 12 and a 6. That's $1,800. That's $8.10 plus 16.80. So that'd be what, 24, almost $25 a day just on those two contracts. Couple that with my uh, contract that's still running, $24 a day plus this $45 a day. That's $69 a day. Uh, almost at $70. We're getting there. When we renew this next time, it will be at 70 or over. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and renew this one right now. And we'll put the 12. I want to make sure. Is it 1200? Okay. I'll make sure it's 1200 and 1250. And sometimes they put those weird numbers on there. So $1,200. And I'm going to that and pay that. And now this contract is running. And I'll go ahead and get that $600 contract. Got that running. So 600. Go there. And so now we got three contracts running. 1250. Oh, I'm sorry, that was this one here, the 3000, 1200, and 600. Okay. So we're looking at because I get a little bonus because I got over a certain value amount in there, 49.68 plus the 137.28 plus, well, I'm sorry, that was the total profit. Let's say 8.28 plus the 17.16 plus the 45.3. Yeah, I'm making $70.74 a day right now. So remember, just 90 days ago, we just did our 90-day update. I was making $6.50 a day. So over 90 days, we've gone from $6.50 up to over $70 a day, and we're on a roll. Okay, and we still have $78 left over. I could invest in. I'm not going to. Let's explore contract. They got. Well, no, I couldn't. I thought I had a $50 contract up there. Sometimes they put a $50 contract in there, but I'm not going to do that. We'll just wait for the next one to continue to roll. All right. And once again, I'll just flash this. I'm not going to take the time to read it right now. Oh, didn't go. I'm going to try that. There we go. I'm not going to take time to read it, but I did want to finish with that. That's the disclaimer. Again, I'm just documenting my own personal journey. You need to make your own decisions. I'll keep you updated. Till next time, it's Pastor Bob reminding you to be blessed in all that you do.